The Real One Team.
Bring your model to life at mcvproducts.com. Now trust me, we about to have some fun tonight.
What's up, my plaster wrenchers? Happy Friday to you. I hope you're having a blessed day. I sure am. Welcome to this late night episode of Friday Night Vibes. You know, I always like to bring you this as a special episode, and what we're going to cover tonight is enhancing those truck interiors. For the longest, when I was building truck interiors, you kind of give it a brush over. Some of us don't take it that serious. But if you look very closely, you can get some great detailing out of your truck interiors. Now, I just want to give you a couple techniques that I use to enhance mine. So to no further ado, here is the building of the 1968 Mercury M100 interior. Let's go!
All right, let's jump straight into it. These are the paints that I use. All rattle can paints, by the way. Rust-Oleum flat black primer. That's for the floorboard. Mr. Surfacer 1000 gray. It dries tight, and I won't lose any detailing on my interior. This color might look familiar. The Testers enamel. Aircraft gray. The same interior color I used for my 1969 Mercury Cougar. Yeah, the sister build. Everything looks alike on these, except one's a car and one's a truck. Here's our floorboard in the Rust-Oleum flat black primer. Turned out amazing. I didn't lose any detailing on that floorboard. Here's the seat in the aircraft gray. It's a flat color, exactly what I wanted. And here's our door panel. You can even see the window crank. And let's not forget about our gray shifter from BCG Resins. A truck shifter. Nice. It's gonna look awesome in this truck. Okay, let's start with this door panel. I love using these Uniball silver gel pens. It makes great chrome. And the way this is lifted, this trim, very easy to detail. Take care of the window crank. Move my fat finger out the way. And look at that. With the gel pen, that trim came to life. Now let's get that bench seat installed. I'm using my Extreme Power. That's the kind you can buy at Hobby Lobby in a yellow bottle, the thick kind. Let's get this rear panel assembled. Real easy. I just love that color. Aircraft gray. Now it's time to install the door panels. Both door panels are installed, and when it came to those speakers, I just used Tamiya panel line accent. Real simple. And check out that steering wheel from mcvproducts.com. I like it better than the factory steering wheel. I needed something more sporty. And we got the shifter painted up in a flat black primer as well. And here goes my Pilot silver marker. To me, this is chrome. Great detailing, and it dries fast. Just took a toothpick, open up those holes again. You can see straight through them, like they're supposed to be. Same thing with the shifter, the Pilot pen. Let that dry, won't take long at all. And here's another tool that I use for enhancement. the Pentel metallic silver gel pen. And remember, we painted that dashboard the same as the exterior, black cherry. It's looking good, but I want it just a little bit better. So here comes the Pilot silver marker, and it's just a little bit thicker than the Pentel. That's why I switched it up. And I also added a bezel around the radio and the climate control. Here's our decal for our dash. Get that installed. It's kind of hard to see, but it does have a wood grain on it. Now, I love this decal softening solution. I got it at hobbylink.com. And I glue, about to install the steering wheel. I've already added my steering column. Looks great. And this bracket goes up under the dashboard. I'm only installing one pedal, the emergency brake. Get my one pedal installed. You'll see what happens to the rest of the pedals. I think you're gonna like it. So far, so good. No complaints. Loving this detailing. Now here goes the pedals we're using. These are also from mcvproducts.com. The detailing on these are incredible. As you can see, we got some excess glue. I'm gonna show you in a minute how to take care of that. I'm mixing up some flat black regular craft paint, add a couple drops of water to it, and that's how I get rid of the glue. The glue bombing doesn't even exist anymore. The flat black craft paint, it took care of it like it never happened. Getting ready to install that dash. Uh-oh. We got a 3-tone interior now. We got black cherry, we got our black, and we got our aircraft gray. They really, really complement one another. I'm loving it. Now let's install some seat belts. This seatbelt kit from Gopher Racing is also from mcvproducts.com. Link in the description box. Use the code OTG10 and save yourself 10% over there. Now, I don't do this all the time, but I'm actually folding over the seat belts and the buckles. Just a little bit more detailing. We getting fancy on this one. Yeah. Okay, I'm using my toothpick here to put just a dab of the extreme power on there. It'll definitely hold it in place. And what I like about the extreme power, it doesn't haze. All 4 seat belts are installed. We almost home with it. Next, time to install that shifter. I'm using my silver gel pen to mark my spot. Just a touch of glue. And we're installing our shifter. really bringing that interior to life. Just the little details. That's all it takes. And with these simple techniques, look what I did to this interior. This is no longer a boring truck interior. You have a masterpiece. And it's going in my M100. Let's get to building. And before you get out of here, don't forget to grab your copy of Master Builder, creating the ultimate model with every build. Link in the description box.